All right. Well, this lecture is going to serve as the intro to uh, experiment 23, Ohm's Law, and we're going to look at it. I'll tell you what parts to do. You're going to do the advanced study assignment. You don't have to do the CI advanced study assignment. That's not necessarily. We're not going to use a triangle wave uh, voltage function. We're going to, so you can just skip the CI. You don't even have to print it out if you can print it out in parts. So we're going to discuss Ohm's Law, which is the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. And you can see the resistance is equal to the voltage divided by the current. We're going to plot that directly. So the slope of the line, you're going to plot voltage versus current. So the slope of the line will be the resistance. And you can see that, voltage divided by resistance is equal to current, and current times resistance is voltage. Those are the three equations that define Ohm's Law. You can see here we're going to plot voltage over current, and the slope is going to equal to resistance, as I said before. There's an analogous, an analogy given on resistance. The resistance is the flow of, resistance restricts the flow of current, and they're given here a water analogy, and that's fine. You should read that. I always try to move it on my computer, not on my iPad. Okay, we're going to set up this basic circuit. We're going to have a battery and a switch and a rheostat. Now, I'm not going to use a rheostat because I don't have one, and the PhET simulation that we're going to use doesn't have one, but we can very easily vary the resistance, so we can make it a virtual rheostat. We're going to have a current meter that measures the amperes, the resistance that we're studying, RS, and then the voltage, VS. I'm going to do a little, probably when I do the resistances in series and parallel, I'll actually try to do an experiment, a real experiment. I'll show you the voltmeter that I use and how to use it. And then we're gonna set up this circuit. I'll make it for you, and then we'll go on to do these different parts. I've already got it partly populated. You'll see, excuse me, you'll see that data. And then, of course, you want to answer the questions. So you're going to have a plot. So the plots will be required for full credit on the lab. And then you want to answer the questions at the end of the experiment. So with that, I'm going to go on to showing you the setup.